This is just my smoked sausage that we cut up into small coins. Just make sure all of our pieces are separated. Okay, beautiful. Now we're gonna go ahead and take our smoked sausage and open up our air fryer and pour it all into our air fryer, just like so. Yummy. Now with that smoked sausage, we're gonna grab some white onion right in there. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious dinner. It's super quick and super healthy. I have some kind of big pieces of green bell pepper that we're also gonna just throw right in there. And I was feeling fancy at the store, so I'm doing multiple colors of bell peppers. We have some orange. I'm not sure if they taste different, but I just love all the color that these bell peppers bring. I know that the red is a little bit sweeter, and sweet is always my go-to. Now we're gonna finish off with some yellow bell pepper, but you could just do one. If you have a favorite bell pepper that you like, you can add just the one. Okay, now I'm gonna bring in some fresh parsley, and we are just gonna kind of snip that right in there. We don't need to add too much, just kind of eyeball it. I love fresh parsley with this, but it is optional. I know some people think it doesn't really have much flavor to it, but you know what? I'm all about the visuals, and to me, the parsley just looks delicious on my meal, so I'm gonna put it on there because then in my head, it tastes more delicious. Does that make sense?
Yeah, I think that makes sense. Yeah, it's definitely delicious.
Okay, this is all in our air fryer. We're almost done. We just have a few more things to add. I think that's just the right amount of parsley right there. Now we're gonna go ahead and start seasoning this. Of course, you guys know I'm gonna add some garlic powder. When do I not add garlic powder? And we're just gonna add a generous amount right in there. I'm gonna add onion powder to really emphasize that onion flavor in there. But you can season this however you like. If you don't like garlic powder, don't add it. If you don't like onion powder, don't add it. Add whatever you like. I'm gonna add some black pepper into here. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. All right, and lastly, call me crazy, I'm always gonna add a little bit of salt. Salt makes everything taste better. You know what? If it's a healthy dish and you add a little bit of salt, it's not gonna hurt anybody. Okay, we're finishing this off with some olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like, avocado oil, just whatever you have in the house will work. Just about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, maybe even a little less. Grab your tongs and kind of toss everything so it gets coated in the olive oil, the seasoning. Oh yeah, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. We're gonna get roasted veggies. We're gonna get some nice roasted sausage. This is gonna be delicious. And if you don't have an air fryer, you can just throw this on a sheet pan and put it in the oven. But for me, I want it to be super quick, so I am using my air fryer. That looks absolutely stunning. Let's turn this on. We're gonna do air fryer. We are gonna do a 350 temp because that's my go-to. And then we are gonna put this in for about 12 minutes, you guys. You can check on it sooner to see if it's cooked to your liking. Okay, you guys, 12 minutes is up. Let's check them out.
Oh my goodness.
Do you see that steam? Look at those smoked sausages, perfectly cooked. Now you could cook your veggies a little bit more, but I kind of like them like this, a little soft, a little delicious. All right, it's time to serve this up. This serves 2 to 3 people, depending on if you have sides or whatever. But this looks incredible. Bell peppers and onions are my favorite veggies, so that's why I use that. But you can use whatever veggies you like. I think that's good for me. For now, I can always get seconds. Oh my, doesn't that look incredible?
Oh, it smells delicious. I want some.
And I did mix this up about halfway so that everything could be evenly cooked, okay? Delicious.